Excellent. One more time. Again, two. Good. Go. You put straight up. Let's see.
Abby? Making pizza, making pizza. Okay. Well, I tried to go back and hang out, but she said shoe fly shoe again. Shoe fly shoe, shoe fly shoe, shoe fly shoe. And they're off. Ready? You guys ready? Here we go. Here we go. Was that fun or what?
This extra pizza for she has regular pizza, okay?
You found your pizza?
Happy birthday to you.
Being shoved and pushed by the crowd here at Costco for the past hour makes me appreciate how much I enjoy shopping on Amazon Fresh instead. The pushing, the shoving, the stopping in the middle of the aisle, the going different directions, and if people would stop Snapchatting while they're here, maybe it would be better. But at least we got toilet paper. So why am I going outside on the snowy, icy deck? Why? Here's a hint. Love hearing that sizzling sound. Love the smell too. Oh yeah. I love standing outside at the grill. I don't care if it's winter or summer or snowing or raining or sunny. It makes no difference to me. I just love being out here cooking. That's what I enjoy.
Bingo. Look at that.
Hey Abby, did you like your steak?
Yes, and also my pasta.
I see you liked your pasta.
Yeah.